In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails in iCloud Mail. If you've ever clicked delete a little too fast, don't worry. iCloud makes it possible to restore messages you recently removed, and I'll walk you through the exact process. The key is timing. Deleted emails normally sit in the trash, sometimes called the bin, for up to 30 days before they're permanently erased. Start on a computer browser by visiting iCloud.com/mail and signing in. Once your mailbox loads, look at the left sidebar and open the trash or bin folder. This is where your deleted messages live temporarily. Browse the list or use the search bar while you have trash selected to quickly locate what you need. When you find the message, click to select it. If you need more than one, select multiple messages. Now choose Move and then pick Inbox or another folder where you want the email to go. If you don't see a Move button, check for a folder icon or use the right-click menu. Both do the same thing. As soon as you move the message out of trash, it returns to your inbox or chosen folder, just like any other email. Take a moment to confirm it's back where you expect it and consider filing it into a folder so it doesn't get deleted again by accident. Here's the important limitation to keep in mind. If the email isn't in trash, maybe the trash was emptied, or it's been more than 30 days, recovery is usually not possible. iCloud Mail doesn't keep a hidden archive forever. Once messages pass that retention window or the trash is cleared, they're permanently removed from Apple's servers. That means the sooner you check the trash after deleting something, the better your chances of restoring it successfully. To avoid losing important emails in the future, try a few simple habits. Don't empty trash unless you really need the space or you're certain everything inside is disposable. It's your safety net. For critical conversations, consider forwarding a copy to a backup address or keeping local backups. And instead of deleting messages you may need later, move them into clearly named folders so they're easy to find. A quick bit of organization and a habit of checking trash can save you a lot of time and stress. That's it. Restore from the trash while it's still available, remember the 30-day window, and use forwarding, backups, and folders to protect what matters most.